Yo, what's up guys, it's me, Ashton, back for another video. So today I'm at my holiday house and I'm with my jet ski over there. So yeah, so I'm going to be riding it. I'm going to show you, I will be on the jet ski riding it. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading lately. My old YouTube channel jet ski vids got deleted, so I've never been uploading it for a long time. So sorry about that, but I'm gonna be back to uploading weekly. So yeah, might be going for a bike race with Raph, all my friends. So yeah, I'll see you when I'm on my jet ski, ready to go. Peace. Alright. You ready, Dad? Is that first?
Stand up, hang on, just wait, make sure it isn't.
What is the best per beast? I'm pretty sure it's not. Is it please? Alright, so it's like a sport mode key basically. Well, I can't go on sport, it's like a accelerate key. But I can only go 60 per hour, so it's that fast.
You gotta run straight lines, don't go doing stupid stuff, yeah?
Well, you do shit. That's not please, Dad. Nah. Please want to jump off with me.
So that's in neutral. So when you want to start to drive, you just click that once and that'll put it into drive.
Alright, it's in neutral.
You've got to be careful, you can't just do that to the trigger. Okay, so I'll finish off the back. We're in big trouble. No, I'm dead serious, man. Absolutely dead serious. Okay, this is a weapon. Okay, so you need to be, don't be stupid.
Not really. Wait, do you have like anything I can tie it up with?
What'd you say?
I can tie that up here.
What are you going to do?
I want.
No, it's not that old, mate.
How does I can do it on my?
Can you put it down there like that? That's just there.
That's
press play.
Well, I want to face it the other way. That's ready. Alright.
Click it once. That'll get us into drive.
So it's still neutral.
Okay, now we're going forward. Okay, so we're going drive. That's the accelerator.
I know.
You just don't do that, man, because it'll kill us.
I know.
Okay, just go just softly. Let's run over to this way over here. Straight lines, nice and easy. Build up.
Actually, could you record me?
Sorry?
Could you record me?
No?
Can you record me?
Is it recording now?
Yeah. Just hold on for this, so.
Yeah, but just you can't gun it.
I want gun it.
So is this recording?
Yeah,
How do you know?
because it has the red thing.
Oh, okay, right. Take it easy.
Is that in there?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Build to it, mate. Just build to it. you want me off the back?
Huh?
Don't be stupid, okay?
No, no, I actually
I know that. I said it's a hairline. Just build it, like slowly. Just run straight lines. Build it. Yeah, I know. I'm telling you, mate. You need to get it to about 60 or 70 on a plane, and a plane means when it's nice, when we're running nice. Because when we take off, we're like this all the time. Okay, when it planes like this is when it levels out. Okay, you need to get it to plane. So just take off easy, but just get it to a plane. Okay, go.
Then I have to do this, but I need like make it really tight. Just need to. Hopefully they can see. Yeah, I'm just wanna keep it. This is not really good, but I'll have to do it for you know. You ready?
Okay, go. Just take off slowly and build on it. Go. Come on.
It's actually you're falling off. It's hard to control, right?
Go. Come on. Go.
hard. Sure.
Hard. You're going to accelerate at the same time. Go. Go. Go.
Yeah.
Accelerate this way. Turn the wheel that way, accelerate, go.
Turn the wheel, one sec.
Turn the wheel and accelerate at the same time. That's how it turns. It turns a lot quicker when you do it like that. Go.
Drive?
Hey?
You wanna drive or you already can?
Head straight that way. Let's go. Go. Go.
Going.
Go. Remember what I said? Remember where I said?
Oh my god, my hat actually came on. I need some hat. Where'd it go? Wait, do we want a neutral?
No, put both feet over here.
Can we jump up?
Yeah, I'm going to move forward here. You walk backwards.
Walk forward.
Yep, go. Come in, on board.
Get that hat in the video. Oh, Dad, I was not ready, bro.
Yeah, just come on and go fast.
Just one sec. Can I see hold on to something?
Right?
Yeah. That's sick. It won't sink that quick, though.
No?
It won't sink that quick.
Can't see it.
Yeah, because the ocean. End the video here. I'll just jump in the water anyways.
Hey?
Can you hold the thing? I'll probably end the video, I guess.
What are you going to do, jump in the water?
Yeah, but I want to jump on those things now. I'm going to keep jumping in the water every end of the video. Just hold it.
So is it facing like that?
Yeah, facing like that. Wait, turn it off quickly.
I'd rather leave it on, mate, just in case the battery. I just want to make sure the battery's okay. Just jump out here.
Try to do it properly.
No, just go normal.
What?
Just do normal.